this demo, I'm going to show you how to create SuitePromotions for your SuiteCommerce website. To begin with, we need to make sure that we have SuitePromotions enabled and your enabled features. So let's go into Setup, Company, and Enabled Features. And I already have expanded this, so if you go over this tab and expand all, then we can do a search for promo. And it'll go under your sales tab of your transaction. So if you have it collapsed already, just go under transactions and then find the sales sub-tab within it. And then you'll find SuitePromotions right here. So make sure that you have this checked. And you may also need to check auto apply promotions too. After you ensure the enabled feature is set correctly, you can go navigate to the promotions list, and you can do that by going to Commerce, Marketing, Promotions, and click on Promotions. Now we're on the promotion list. You can see that we have a handful of them now. Let's go to New Promotion. These are the 5 standard promotions for SuitePromotions: discount on items, selected items at a fixed price, discount on the total order, free shipping, like spend X amount or more and get free shipping, or free item automatically added to the cart depending on the different scenario. In this case, let's go ahead and do a discount on the total order amount. Now we need to fill out the information. It is Cyber Monday today, actually, so let's do Cyber Monday. And we're just going to add an internal description. If you wanted to schedule this to start and end on a certain date where this promo code is available, you could do that here too. Then you could decide whether this is a stackable promotion with other promo codes. So let's say you had 10% off an item and then an additional 10% off the entire order. That's how you would solve for that, which is a combinable promotion or stackable. Or an exclusive promotion, meaning that you can only use this promo code and it's not available and paired with any other promo code. Then this last one is order type exclusive promotion. This means that you can't stack this promo code, which is based on the total order, with another order type promo code. But it could be stackable with maybe a free shipping over $99 type of promo code. If we go into a promo that is for a shipping, like free shipping over a certain amount, you'll notice that there's another option that says shipping type exclusive promotion, meaning that you can only have this as a single shipping type promotion. It can't be paired with any other shipping promotion as well. We can also automatically apply promo codes. So that means that if the customer is in the checkout process and the certain conditions are met, then the promo code would automatically be applied and it would show to the customer rather than them needing to manually enter in the promo code. I'm going to leave this unchecked in this scenario, and we're going to use exclusive promotion. And then in this case, we're going to also select our account for this discount where this is going to show. And then we can go on to the conditions in order to get this promo code. There's a couple options: either buy anything or spend a minimum order amount or buy specific items. So this is an important statement that there's an or statement. It is not an and statement. If I were to select buy anything, then I can move on and I don't have to fill out anything else. If I select minimum order amount or buy specific items, as soon as I check this, it determines what else I need to specify. All right, what is my order amount in US dollar? It might be $120 or it might say $500. So let's actually select $500. Then we're gonna do discount rates. It's Cyber Monday, so let's do 70% off here. If I wanted to, I could say, all right, maybe $50 off any order over $500. So that would be an easy way to handle that condition. But let's do a percentage in this case, and we'll do 75%. As we move down here, there's a couple other things we need to fill out, including the promo code. If you had a list of single-use promo codes, you can upload that file here and make sure you use a specific pattern within the CSV import file. It's best just to go to Suite Answers. You can play around with that and how to do that or generate codes. But most times people are using this multiple uses option. So I'm going to create a promo code that any user can use, and I'm also going to say, it's not for specific customers. I could define a specific customer group, Maybe VIP customers get 75% off, or maybe they're a broker or something like that, where you need to give specific customers an extra discount, not everybody. I like to typically gonna apply it to everybody. We can define specific locations and websites. Normally it's gonna be at all locations and websites. And then the usage limits. How many times can this be used? Is it a one-time only promo code, even though it's available to multiple people? That doesn't normally make sense, so we're gonna say unlimited amounts of time. And let's go ahead and save. Now we need to go test this promo code. So let's go into our SuiteCommerce site and add an item to the cart. And now that it's there, we can go ahead and add the promo code, Cyber Monday, and click apply. And we're doing this because we did not select auto apply. And now it says we're not discounting the order. A minimum of 500 is required. And even though the promo code is there, it is not being applied. You'll notice when I entered the promo code, I entered it as lowercase, even though when I created the promo code, it was all uppercase. So it does not matter whether it's lowercase or uppercase. So let's go ahead and update the order so that it's above 500. All right, now it's above $500. And now the promo code Cyber Monday is now discounting the order. So let's proceed to checkout. And you'll see that that promo code applied. That was the discount total. There's some shipping being applied still, and it shows the total of the order now within the checkout process. So that's a good, simple example of how to use SuitePromotions. There's many different types of promo codes to create. There's some nuances between the different solutions and how to create different promo codes, but this should give you a baseline understanding of how to create a new promo code and test it for your SuiteCommerce website.